Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Fake and Cultured. I'm Rob.
I'm Pico, and today we're going to have a special guest host today, my lovely wife, Kim.
Hi.
And she's going to be making us some sweets. We're going to take the day off, right?
Yeah, it's football and beer day.
All right, so
Speaking of drinking, cheers.
Thank you guys for letting me come on to Fake and Cultured. Oh wait, no. Hi, I'm Kim. I'm Mike's wife, and this is now Baking Cultured. Today I would like to tell you that I have been subscribed to a Crumble Crate company who sends me a box once a month to bake a different product every time, and it helps pull me out of my comfort zone. And today's bake will be a lemon poppy seed cake, and my favorite is lemon poppy seed muffins. So when she came out with this, I was excited. So in this box,
what's in the box?
That they send monthly, you get a card to tell you how to make everything. It gives you what you need, what's in the box, and then on the back side is all of your instructions. She even gives you a little cute note that she writes out, and then inside all of this wonderful pink shreddings is all of your ingredients. When it comes time to going onto her website, she has everything from the utensils that you can buy. She's got the torches to do any kind of marshmallow roasting, to the actual boxes you can buy individually. You've got your choice of cakes, tarts, macaroons, cookies, donuts, everything you can think. She has a wonderful recipe for you to try. And I can't wait to start baking this with you. And I have everything out of the box. So anything that you see here will be listed on the in-crate ingredients and equipment that she gives. So the first thing we're gonna do for the lemon poppy seed cake is we definitely need the most main ingredient, Rob's favorite, lemon.
Oh, it had lemon on it!
So we're gonna take our handy zester and we're gonna zest 2 lemons. I just do the best I can. And I've noticed when I zest, it kind of gets stuck in here, so I kind of just push it into the bowl. This is why I'm using this type of a bowl, because I need room to make a mess. All right, so next is to juice them by cutting them in half. We're gonna use 1/4 cup of the lemon juice. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And while the oven is preheating, we're gonna prep our pan for our cake batter. You need a 10 by 15 pan, some butter, parchment paper, and a little bit of flour. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to start buttering the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to take our parchment paper. What the butter does is it helps your parchment paper stick to the pan. So then you take your butter again. This does get a little messy, so just be prepared to have a little butter on your fingers. I guess that's where they come up with Butterfingers. So we're going to take our flour, pour it onto the pan, and what you're doing is you're just basically making the flour go all over the pan. We've got our bowl here. We're gonna take our 1½ sticks of butter, which is 3/4 cup, and some lemon zest, and we're gonna mix it together. And this is 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Blend this together.
What's today's secret word?
Ooh, interesting question. Today's secret word is...
Incorporate. So now I have my sugar. I'm going to incorporate that with my butter and my lemon zest. I'm going to incorporate my eggs one at a time. A teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to incorporate our milk, which is 3/4 cup, and our lemon juice, which is 1/4 cup. We're going to put them together. Add 1/3 of our combined flour, baking powder, poppy seed, and salt in with our mixture. And then we're gonna take our mixture of the milk and lemon juice and put that in and incorporate them back and forth, which should be about 1/3. I have 1/4 cup. Incorporate this into your mix. Pour some of your milk and lemon mixture in. Okay, our batter is completed. So we're just gonna pour it in, and then we'll put it in the oven for 20 minutes or until your tester comes out clean. So while your cake was in the oven, you make your simple syrup. So you're going to take a small pan. Now we're gonna add the lemon juice, the remaining lemon zest, there's never enough, and our sugar. And we're just gonna stir until dissolved. So now that the sugar has dissolved, we're gonna take this and set it aside and let it cool. Okay, so our timer just went off, so now it's time to check the cake. We're gonna take our tester, and it's clean, so it's ready to come out, and it looks amazing. Now we're gonna set that for 10 minutes on the rack. So now we're on to making our cream cheese frosting. I've got 2 sticks of room temperature butter. I'm going to mix this till it's light and fluffy, and then we will then add some vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and of course the main ingredient, our cream cheese. And now I'm going to add a cup of powdered sugar. Make sure the butter and the powdered sugar is fully incorporated before you put your next cup in. I'm now going to take 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and add that to the butter mixture. And now I'm going to add the cube of cream cheese, and this has to be fully incorporated before you add the next one. I'm going to make sure there's no lumps in my frosting. So now that our cake is cooled, we're gonna make our 3-layer cake. So we're gonna assemble it by using this ring. It's gonna cut 2 full circles, and being as the 10 by 15 does not actually let you do 3, we're gonna half a circle here and half a circle here, and that'll be the whole 3 layers. So we'll go ahead and cut this now. We also have our cake board, so that way we can place the cake ring onto here, and then from there we'll take our plastic. So we'll take this and we'll stick it in here like this. And what you're gonna wanna do is take half of the cake and place it inside the ring. Now that'll help hold your sides up to be able to layer the other side. If by chance this half is too big, you can always cut a little bit off of them to make them fit. And yes, that is way too big. Next step is to take our simple syrup. You can put it heavy if you want. It's just as much lemon flavor as you want in between the layers. So we're gonna take the simple syrup and we're gonna go in here. We're just gonna baste it to give it that lemon flavor and also keep the cake moist in between layers. We then proceed to take our cream cheese frosting and layer it in here. And I'm going to repeat the same step by placing a whole piece of lemon poppy seed cake into the ring. I will then repeat the process of the simple syrup. Smooth it around. And it's going to form nice little layers. The 3rd layer is going to go on. I'm going to frost it. And once that is completely done, I'm going to stick it in the freezer for an hour, and then we'll do our finishing touches. Make sure you don't get rid of your frosting because you will have leftovers. You'll use that in another step. As you carefully take this to the freezer. So now we've taken our cake out of the freezer. We're at the almost completion point. You want to take this ring off of the cake slowly and gently so you don't disturb the rest of the cake like this. And then you're going to want to peel off the plastic. So basically what you want to do is the rest of your frosting you're going to put in a piping bag, and then you're just going to twist this like so. And I use, oh, it's already coming out. I use a clip and I stick it right on there, and then you just make pretty little decorations. So these are considered rosettes, but you can do all other different types of piping work for your frosting. And what we're doing here is we're just gonna do a few more little rosettes. Then we're going to add some lemon wedges. Try not to get any seeds in there. Just a little garnish decoration. And then the last touch is going to be some lemon poppy seeds. You just kind of want to sprinkle them just on one side just to give it a little decoration. And here you got your finished product. It's a very refreshing lemon poppy seed cake, and I hope you enjoy.
All right, everybody, we just got done drinking some beers,
Watching some football?
watching some football, watching the Cowboys whoop some ass tonight.
No, they didn't.
They lost.
They lost.
The Dolphins whooped some ass.
Oh, the Dolphins whooped some ass tonight.
Start 'em.
Sorry, Cheech. Kim made look at this thing. It's absolutely phenomenal. But you know what we haven't done in a while?
I know what we haven't done.
What haven't we done?
Cheers, bitches.
Cheers, bitches.
Cheers.
You know what? Let's enough talking. Let's have a bite.
No. It's always summer in Florida.
Kim, do the
anyway.
honors.
Oh, see, I'm going for the icing part.
See, that's
see
where
what you
I
did.
wanted to go too. Cheers, bitches.
Well.
Look, that is good.
Light and refreshing, is it not?
It is. It's very, look, the savoriness of this, it's not too citrusy. It's got that sweet, the cream cheese on it. It's just full of flavor.
I like this.
Follow the recipe. Guess what time it is now?
Okay. Dessert shot.
Dessert shot. We highly recommend a lemon drop shot to go with your lemon poppy seed creme cake.
Lemon poppy seed cake.
Cake with a C.
And Chef Jeff.
Chef Jeff.
Chef Jeff.
Cheers, bitches. Oh, it's got lemon in it.
Oh, yeah.
The cake's better.
But I
That's
do
okay.
want to
Cake's way
thank
better.
Paula for letting me do this cake. Absolutely amazing cake. Love the recipe.
Crumblecake.com.
Crumble
Cake.
Crate.
No.
Crumble Crate.
Crate.com.
We'll probably forget to put it down below, but just click it.
And don't forget, like and subscribe.
That's right. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Leave us a comment below. What kind of cake do you like to make? Do you like lemon cake? Do you like citrusy cake? Let us know. We want to find out.
And maybe I'll come back and bake again.
Oh, you will.
Y'all have a great night. Cheers, bitch.
And I'm looking in the wrong camera because you're standing there with a camera and I should be looking in this camera, not that one. See, now my butter's supposed to be pale and fluffy, but it's already melted, soft, and so that's pale and fluffy to me. Now, my next step after my butter has been fluffed.
Awkward.